জয় বিশ্বেশ্বরী জয় বিশালাক্ষী জয়।
No, no, I mean, actually, it's not that. By the grace of Lourdes, I can see.
Stop it! Stop this nonsense. Grandma, didn't you tell me that I was raising questions about God? And she? What is she doing? She is lying about gods. Won't you say anything to her?
Yes, Aunt. Today I'm compelled to say that the way you scold this girl, on other days you're not doing it today. Dripto is absolutely right. Will the lies told in the name of the Lord Almighty be tolerated in this house?
I've tolerated many lies in this family for many years, Vicky. You don't have to worry about our family.
Okay, then who will? This girl. Who fool people in the name of God. A liar and a fraud. I've tolerated your nonsense enough, but not anymore. You have to leave this house right away. No one can stop me today. And Mom, don't ask me to stop today, please. Let's go from here. Let's go. Come on.
No, please don't do this.
Deepu,
Please
stop!
don't do
Deepu! Deepu! Where are you taking her? Are you out of your mind? Why are you behaving as if you're hypnotized by someone?
Deepu, listen to me, Deepu. Don't get angry. She's Lord's devotee. You have heard how she offers her prayers. Rangana is right. The one who is dearest to her Lord. She believes that her devotion makes her think that everything happens as per the Lord's will. Don't throw her out for this. I implore you. Please don't throw her out of the house.
What is this, Dripto? If anyone believes this, then what's the problem? Tell me. You're throwing her out of the house for this? Why isn't anyone saying anything to him? Grandma, why are you quiet? Don't you see he has lost his sense of judgment?
I.
Don't stop him, Mom. Please don't stop him. I can see only one way to save the girl. She should leave the house. Let it happen.
I beg you. Please don't throw me out from here.
Sanjukta, what will happen to our plan? Dipto wants to throw the girl out. Don't you want to send her to the prison?
Please, Dripto, please leave her.
Don't do this, my child. Don't do this.
Dipto, please let go of my friend. Dipto, please.
I beg you, Dripto. Please let me find the criminal before throwing me out. Please. I can't go away from here now. Please, Dripto.
I won't listen to anything you say. You have to leave this house right away. That's final.
No.
Go
Please,
away from here.
Please don't throw me out.
I said go away.
Dripto,
Get
please.
out. Get out, I said.
Now watch my game. What did you do, Trinayani? You dropped the bottle?
No, she didn't drop it. It fell from her hand.
It fell. It fell just like that. She did it on purpose. Have you all put on a blindfold? You still can't understand why she dropped the bottle and broke it? So that the evidence gets destroyed. She realized that she got caught by bringing the bottle herself. So she destroyed the evidence. So that it's never revealed that the bottle of poison was hers and she poisoned the milk. But it's no use trying to play tricks with me, Trinayani. I won't let you get away so easily. You will get punished for the crime you've committed. Deepu, let go of her.
You want me to let go of her, even after whatever happened?
Yes, I'm asking you to let her go even after so much has happened. But don't think that I'll let her stay here. She will have to leave the house. But you won't oust her. The police will take her away. The police will take her to the police station and get her to speak the truth.
Police? Have you called the police, Sanjukta?
Yes, I've called the police.
Greetings. I am Inspector Tarun Karmakar.
Greetings, sir. Greetings. Come in. Please, come in. Aren't we called them on our way back home? Didn't we do the right thing?
No, you don't do the right thing. Who gave you that right, huh? Did you have my permission before informing the police? How can the police come to my house without my permission? Ask them to leave. Ask them to leave right away.
No, they will not go. Only they can get the truth out of this girl. If they leave this place, they must take the girl along with them. What are you saying? Trinayani is our daughter-in-law. You will get our daughter-in-law arrested. What daughter-in-law? Deepu doesn't accept her as his wife, so how is she the daughter-in-law? She's not the daughter-in-law. She's our enemy. This girl, Inspector, she tried to poison my son. But I didn't let her succeed. Please arrest her.
No, this is a lie, sir. I didn't try to poison him. Trust me. Father, please tell them. Please tell them to trust me, Father. Father, why are they doing this to me, Father? You know everything, so please tell them. I only alerted them. I found the bottle of poison. I didn't intend to harm them, Father. Then why are they blaming me? Please tell them, Father.
do something, Topu. Don't make me a sinner at this age. They've abused and humiliated the girl enough. That is also a sin. The girl is crying her eyes out. Throwing her out of the house is one thing, but getting her arrested?
No, my child, no. Don't get disheartened. I'm still alive. And when I'm there, let me see how they say mean things to you. Officer, sorry. Actually, they called you by mistake. This is just a case of misunderstanding. As you can see, there is no need to arrest anyone. We'll be able to handle that ourselves.
No, we won't. We won't be able to handle it because it's not our job to handle that girl. She's much more smarter than us. Besides, have you lost your mind? You don't want to involve the police to investigate such a serious conspiracy.
Sanjukta, I didn't want to involve the police in many other cases, Sanjukta. Like, why did Deepu's car's brake oil leak? Why was the tire of Deepu's car loose? To find answers to many such questions, I should have involved the police in investigating the matter. But I didn't do that. That's why now what I am saying, that will happen. Trineni won't be arrested.
You are taking the decision yourselves. Who should be arrested and who should not, you just leave that to us. Tell me about your complaint clearly. Let me know about it. Who is this girl? Why did she try to poison him, and do you have any proof against her?
The proof is that broken bottle, officer. She has accepted that it contained poison. But the moment she got a hint that I realized that she had poisoned Deepu's milk, she dropped that bottle and broke it. The bottle was found in her room.
No, it wasn't found. I found it and brought it. Tell me, Inspector, if I had poisoned the milk and hidden the bottle, would I have looked for it and brought it here?
Please don't believe her, sir. She's a liar and a fraud. If she didn't try to poison him, how did she know that's the bottle of poison? How did she know that the milk was poisoned? And why was the bottle of poison found in her room? After all, we need answer to these questions. Am I right, officer?
I'd seen the bottle rolling down the stairs of the house. It means the bottle was on the first floor. Then how did the bottle go out of the house? Did anyone take it out? It's true that the bottle was in my room, but it's possible that someone could hide it in my room, right?
Yes, you are right. You are right, Trineni. That must have happened. Inspector, someone is trying to frame her. Someone is trying to put the blame on her and get away.
Who kept it there? Who are you trying to blame? You, Rangana, Tapabrato, all of you visit her room. Tell me, come on, tell me.
So you think we who frequent her room kept the bottle of poison in her room? Right, Vicky? All right. I kept the bottle of poison in her room, officer. Arrest me.
What are you saying, Aunt? Why are you saying so? Why are you taking the blame on yourself? The inspector will arrest you. No, I won't let you get arrested, Aunt. No, I won't.
Let the police arrest me. You know, no one in the family likes me. So it doesn't matter whether I live in this house or not. But it's important for you to stay in this house. Kalpana will protect Deepu through you. You have Kalpana's blessings. So you have to stay here, my child. Officer, please don't delay. Arrest me. I'm the culprit. Trust me.
Inspector, trust me. Aunt hasn't done anything. She can hurt herself, but she can't harm others.
Listen, let me tell you. If you arrest Aunt, you have to arrest me too. I made that poison. Tell them, mother.
Oh no. Why did this foolish girl have to open her mouth now?
Mother, why are you quiet? Please tell him I made that poison. Do you remember? I told you the recipe for the poison that day. Do you remember the recipe for the poison? Please arrest me, officer. Sorry, you look quite young. I'll call you brother. Yes, please, brother, arrest me.
Rangana, keep quiet. How will you make the poison? Officer, I've also gone to Trinani's room. Not just once, but many times. If you suspect us, you can arrest me too.
No, they haven't done anything. Yes, they went to my room but never touched anything. No, please trust me. I didn't poison the milk. Please believe me. Please. Uncle, you mentioned everyone, but you didn't mention yourself. You also went to my room. You scattered everything in my room while looking for the bottle of poison.
Yes, that's right. I had seen Vicky from my own eyes.
Oh no, Vicky is being framed?
Officer, she's saying all this to save herself. People can go to her room. Please, just please arrest her.
No, madam. The case is not that simple. Besides, you didn't lodge a complaint about poisoning someone. No documentation. I can't arrest anyone suddenly without any reason, without investigating the case. Besides, it's night time. According to the law, we cannot arrest a woman at this hour. So just lodge an FIR. Let me investigate the case thoroughly. Then and only then, I'll arrest the one I think should be arrested.
In investigation.
If an investigation is conducted, then the secrets might be revealed. What's there to investigate, officer? It's very clear. It's crystal clear. This girl is the culprit. She has done it.
If investigations were done according to you, you would be wearing the uniform, not me, right? So you just let us decide what to do.